This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Ford Taurus supports remote start. Model year and factory versus aftermarket units differ. Replace the key fob battery if the LED is dim, because weak power causes missed signals. Once done, stand within the fob range and ensure the vehicle is parked, transmission in park, doors closed and locked. This safety sequence allows the remote module to accept the start command and prevents drive-away or tamper interlocks. You now perform the specific key fob sequence. Typically press lock, then press and hold the remote start button for 2 seconds or press it twice within a few seconds. This timing matters because control modules expect precise input. If your Taurus has a smart remote, a quick double press of the appropriate button may emulate the start. Once sent, watch the parking lights flash and listen for the engine to turn over. Those cues confirm the remote command was received and executed. You finish by confirming climate settings and letting the engine run the recommended warm-up time, then unlock and enter normally. If the engine fails to start remotely, check hood open sensor, activated alarm, or that the brake pedal isn't being pressed. These inhibit remote start. Make sure the fob battery is fresh and repair the fob if needed, because radio sync issues are common. If problems persist, have a dealer or qualified technician scan for diagnostic trouble codes and inspect the remote start module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.